loss doesn't just change how you look, it changes how you feel. Welcome to Creative Look Hair Fixing Center, Dubai and Sharjah's trusted destination for non-surgical hair replacement for men. Your privacy matters. Each customer gets their own private room. Our advanced hair patch system gives you 100% natural looking hair in just one session. In just a few hours, you don't just change your hair, you change the way the world sees you. At Creative Look Hair Fixing Center, confidence comes back instantly. Start your day with confidence. Hit the gym, lift weights, push your limits, sweat during intense workouts. Your hair stays perfectly in place. Run harder, train longer, live your active lifestyle without worry. Finish your workout, step into the shower, wash your hair normally, shampoo it, rinse it, style it again. No removing, no surgery, no pain, just natural looking hair, designed for your real lifestyle. Creative Look Hair Fixing Center. Hair back, confidence back.